Keep quiet. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, how are you all?
I'm fine, How are you, sir?
I'm also good. Alhamdulillah.
How are you, sir? Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullah.
Assalamualaikum, sir. My name is Muhammad Fanan.
So, student, we have learned forming. We have already learned how to form three-digit numbers. Okay. In last class, we have learned how to form three-digit numbers using three digits. Okay. So, can you tell me how many numbers we can form? We can make using three digits. Yes, unmute your mic and tell me how many numbers we can make using three digits. Yes,
If any numbers and if any
yes, mashallah, very good. So we can make six numbers using three digits. Okay, maximum six numbers we can make using three digits. If any digit is zero, okay, if one of the digits is zero, then we can make only four numbers. Okay, and we have learned how to make greatest number and smallest number. So to make greatest three digit number using three digits, how can we arrange them? Yes, students, how can we arrange the digits to make the greatest number?
So 3 digits.
To make the greatest number, how can we arrange? I'm not asking, I'm asking that.
In descending order. Sir, in
Yes,
descending order.
yes, yes. Very good, very good. Yes, to make if we have three digits and we have to make greatest number, so we will arrange the three digits in descending order. Okay, and to make the smallest number, we'll arrange the digits in ascending order from smallest to biggest. Okay, that we have learned already. So now in today's class, we are going to learn how to form patterns in numbers. Okay, so we have already learned about patterns also in chapter 4. We can make patterns using letters, okay, shapes, numbers, but here in today's class we'll learn how to make patterns using numbers. Okay, how to make patterns in numbers. Forming patterns in numbers. So student, we can make pattern number by adding, by changing the digits in the number. Okay, like so in this we are going to learn what number we get after adding 10. Okay, how to find out 10 more than a number. So let's say we have a number 526. Okay, so what will be the number 10 more than this number 526? So what we do to find out more? Okay, 10 more than, we have to add 10 in this number. Okay, to find out a number which is more than, which is 10 more than 526, what we do, we'll just add 10 in that number. Okay, so 526 plus 10 would be equal to, let's start adding from the ones place. 6 plus 0 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, 5. 5 at the hundreds place, we will write 5 as it is. So 10 more than 526 is 536. Okay, so 10 more than 526 is 536. So what have you observed in this first number 526 and here 536? As you can see here, the hundreds place digits, 100 place digit is 5 here, and here ones place digit is 6. If you see in this number 536, the 100 place digit is same 5, and the ones place digit is also same. Okay, in both the numbers 100 place digits are same 5 5, and ones place digits are also same 6 6. So what is changed? So here the tens place digit is changed only. Okay, earlier it was 2, and after adding 10 it will become 3. Okay, so this tens place digit only changed here, 526 536. Okay, everyone listen carefully. Now let's take another example. So here we have a number 284. Okay, and we have to find out 10 more than this number. Okay, so what we will do to find out 10 more than, we'll just add 10 in this number. Okay,
194.
so let's add 284 plus 10. Okay, we'll put 0 at the ones place and 1 at the tens place. Now add 4 plus 0 is 4, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 2 will write as it is. Okay, so 10 more than 284 is 294. 294. Okay, 10 more than 284 is 294. So here also you can see the 100 place digits. 100 place digit is 2 here, and in this number also 100 place digit is 2. It is not changed. Okay, and you see the ones place digit in this, it is 4, and in this number also at the ones place 4. Means the 100 place digit and ones place digits are same. What is changed? Yes, students, tell me, which place digit has
Sir,
changed?
10 place digit. Sir, 10 place digit. 10 place.
Yes, very good. So only tens place digit is changed here. Okay, here we have 8, and after adding 10 it will become 9. Okay, so we can find out a number which is 10 more than a particular number by adding in the tens place only. Okay, we'll just add. If we need to find out 10 more than, we just add 1 in the tens place digit. Okay, and the 100 place digit and ones place digit will remain same. Understood, students? Okay, I am explaining it again. So here we have to find a number which is 10 more than. Okay, so to find out a number which is 10 more than, we need to add 10 in that particular number. Okay, like here first one 526, we have a number 526. We have to find out a number which is 10 more than, which is 10 more than. Okay, when more than is written, then we have to add. Okay, so what we have to add? 10. So 526 plus 10 is equals to 536. Okay, so 10 more than 526 is 536. Okay, so if you see the 100 place digit in 526, 5 is a 100 place. Okay, and 6 at the ones place. Okay, and if you see the answer which is 10 more than, it is also having 5 at the hundreds place and 6 at the ones place. Means 100 place digit and ones place digit are same. What is changed? The tens place digit is only changed. Here we have 2 and here we have 3. Okay, so only 10th place digit will change. 526, 10 more than 526 is 536. Okay, tens place digit will change only. Here in second number, here we have 284. So 2 will remain same and 4 at the ones place will remain same. What is change? What will change? The tens place digit only. Here we have 8 and here it will become 9. Okay, so 10 more than 284 is 294. Now understood, students?
Sir, I have not understood.
Not understood.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay, so let's see a number which is 100 more than. Okay, then you will understand it. So now a number 100 more than. So student, when we need to find out more than, then we need to add. Okay, in that case we have to add to find out more. So let's take a number. Five hundred 536. Okay, so here we have to find a number which is 100 more than. Okay, 100 more than 536 is what number? So what we do, we just add 100 in this 536. Okay, we have a number 536. We have to find out a number which is 100 more than this number. Okay, so what we'll do, we can add 100. Okay, to find out 10 more than, we were adding 10. Okay, and to find out 100 more than, we'll add 100 in the number. So add it. So 6 plus 0 is equals to 6. 3 plus 0 is equals to 3. Okay, when we add 0 and any number, we get same number only. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, so 100 more than 536 is 636. Okay, so let me write here 636. So student, now tell me which digit has changed here. 536, we were having 536. Okay, and 100 more than 536 is 636. Okay, so which place digit has changed here? Tell me quickly, which place digit has changed? Yes. Beta, I am just asking that which place digit has changed. Yes. Yes, very good. So if you see this is the first number 536. 5 is at hundreds place. Okay, and if you see this number, here we have 6 at the hundreds place, and the remaining two digits are same, 36, and in this also in this number also we have 36. Okay, means tens place and ones place do not change in this. Okay, when we find 100 more than, then the tens place and ones place digit will not change, it will remain same. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so only hundreds place digit has changed here. Look, here we have 5 and here it is 6. Okay, and the remaining two digits are same, 36, here also 36. Okay, when we find out 100 more than, then only 100 place digit will change. Okay, and when we find out 10 more than, then tens place digit will change only. Okay, so let's take another example. Let's take a number 328. Okay, and we have to find out 100 more than 328. So what we will do, students?
So we
Add
Sir, we
what we will add?
we will add 100.
Yes, very good.
428.
So to find out 100 more than 328, we will add 100 in 328. Okay. We have 328. So let's add 100 in 328 to find out 100 more than. So 8 plus 0 is equals to 8. 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Okay. So 100 more than 328 is 428. Okay. So we'll write here 428. Here also which digit has changed? 100 place digits. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So which place digit has changed, students? 100 place digit. Here we have 3 and here at the 100 place 4. And the remaining 2 digits are same. It is 28 and here also 28. Only 100 place digit will change. Okay. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So student, no need to do like this. Okay. This addition I have told you for your understanding only. You can find out 10 more than or 100 more than directly. Okay. To find out 10 more than, we just add in the tens place. We just add 1 in the tens place digit. Okay. And to find out 100 more than, we change the 100 place digit. Okay. We just add 1 in the 100 place digit to find out 100 more than. Okay. No need to add like this. Okay. So student, tell me, here we have a number 248. So what will be the number which is 10 more than this number? 10 more than this number. Directly you have to tell. No need to add.
Sir, 258. 248. 200.
Some students are saying 348. I am just asking 10 more than. Okay, when we need to find out 10 more than, then tens place digit will change only. Okay, and the hundredth place digit and ones place digit will remain same as it is. Okay, so here we have 2 at the 100 place. We'll write 2. Here we have 4 at the 10th place. So we'll change 10th place digits. $248. Now just add 1 in this. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, and the ones place digit will remain same, means 8. We will write 8. Okay, so 248 and here 258. So 258 is 10 more than 248. Okay, just add 1 in the tens place digit. Now tell me student, 10 more than 436. 10 more than 436. Yes, 446. Why? Only we have to add in tens place digit only. We have to add 1 in the tens place digit. So 4, then it will be 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So at tens place we will write 4. Okay, and the ones place digit will remain same. Okay, so 10 more than 436 is 446. Now tell me student, 10 more than 753. 10 more than 753. Yes, mashallah, very good. 700. 100 place digit will be same 7 7. Okay, we just change this. It is 5, then we'll add 1 in this. 5 plus 1 6. Okay, and then 3 remain same, only tens place digit will change. Now student, tell me, yes, now tell me this one. 10 more than 592. Can anyone tell this? 592. 10 more than 592. Yes, very good. 602. Why is it so? I told you that if we are finding 10 more than, we will change only tens place digit. But in this case, because it is 9, if we add 1 in this, in 9, it will become 10. Okay, so for 10 we need to put 1 carry on the 100 place digit. Okay, so that's why it will be 602. Okay, this is tens place, so add 1 in this, so it will become 10. Okay, so at tens place we'll write 0, and 100 place digit will become 6. Okay, put 1 carry on the 100 place digit, so it will become 6, and the ones place digit will remain same. Ones place digit will remain same, so it will be 602. Okay, so when 9 is there at the tens place, then you have to put 1 carry on the 100 place digit also. Okay, now tell me students, what is 10 more than 493?
503.
Yes, very good. 503. So let's find out the answer of this by adding. Okay, means 400. Here we have 493. What we need to find out? 10 more than this number. So to find out 10 more than what I told, we just add 10. Okay, and the number, if we are doing like this, so 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 1 is, yes, 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 is a 2-digit number, so we can't write 10 in the tens place. What we do? If we have a 2-digit number, we just write 0 here and carry over at the hundredth place. Okay, we can't write 10 at the tens place. We'll put 0 at the tens place and 1 carry over at the hundredth place. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so 405. Oh, sorry. 503. Okay, so here in this case, two digits, two places has changed, means 100 place digit also changed and tens place digit also changed. Okay, when 9 is the tens place, then in this condition a 100 place digit will also change. All of you understood it?
Yes, sir, I have understood. Yes, sir, I have understood.
Okay, so now number more than 100.
It's from Emma calling to Shin. And me also. No?
Okay, number more than 100. Then I'm giving you some examples and you have to tell the answer. Okay, so tell me students, 100 more than 428. To find out 100 more than, we just add 1 in the hundreds place digit. So tell me, what is 100 more than 428? Yes, very good. 528. The tens place and ones place digit will remain same. Means at ones place 8 will write and at the tens place 2. This is same. Okay. What will change? Only the 100 place digit. It is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. This will change only 100 place digit. Now Now 100 more than 723.
823. 800.
Yes, mashallah, very good. 823. Okay, only the 100 place digit will change. Okay, so we can do this. We can find out 100 more than by adding 1 in the 100th place digit only. Okay, tens and ones will remain same. And what about this, students? Hundred more than 946. Can anyone tell? 100 more than 946. No, beta, no. It is 946. If we add 100 in this, so let's check what will come. 946 and add 100 in this. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 4 plus 0 is 4, 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, it will be a 4-digit number. So in this class we will not study this. Okay, so it will be 1000. Okay, it will go in the next period, thousandth period, but in this class we have to learn only till 100th period. Okay, till 100th place we have to study in this class. So okay, students, everyone understood it? Now student, let's learn number less than. Number 10 less than. Okay, earlier we have learned 10 more than. In more than we add, okay, and in less than we subtract. So in this we are going to subtract 10 from a number. So here we have a number 643. Okay, so what is 10 less than 643? What we will do, we'll just subtract 10. Okay, we can subtract 10 from a number to find out 10 less than. Okay, so subtract 10. So 3 minus 0 is 3, 4 minus 1 is equals to 3, and 6 at the 100 place we will write as it is. Okay, so the answer will be 633. 633. So 10 less than 643 is 633. Okay, so what place has changed, students? The 100 place digit and 1's place digit is same here also, 6 and 3. What is changed? The 10's place digit has changed, only this place. Okay, this and this. It was 4 earlier, now it is 3. Okay, now let's take another number, 542. So 10 less than 542 is, so let's subtract 10 from 542. So 2 minus 0 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3, 5 at the hundreds place. Okay, 532 will be the answer. Means 10 less than 542 is 532. 100 place digit are same. What is changed? 10's place digit only. Okay, so tell me student, what is 10 less than 463? Quickly. 10. No beta, 10 less than, 10 less than, not 100 less than. It is 10 less than. So we'll subtract. Yes. Yes, very good. 453. What will change? The 10th place digit will change only.